Programming your Chevy Cruze key fob involves syncing it with your car's body control module, or BCM. This allows you to remotely lock and unlock doors, use the trunk release, and activate the panic alarm. The body control module, or BCM, is the brain that manages all your key fob's functions. It handles the communication between the fob and your car's systems. While DIY programming methods exist for some Cruze models, success largely depends on your vehicle's model year and the tools you have available. Professional equipment like GM-approved scan tools is often required. The fundamentals include fob compatibility, matching the correct 314 MHz frequency for North American models, understanding programming modes activated via ignition cycles, and security protocols like rolling codes in post-2015 models to prevent cloning. Without professional equipment, you risk vehicle lockouts or security breaches. As of 2024, 70% of key fob reprogramming requests for Cruze vehicles are handled at dealerships due to these security protocols. Here's a general DIY process for 2011-2019 Cruze models, but consult your owner's manual for specific variations. 1. Enter the vehicle, close all doors, and insert your key. 2. Turn the ignition to on, do not start the engine, and back to off 3 times within 5 seconds. 3. Open and close the driver's door twice to enter programming mode. 4. Turn the ignition to on again and press and hold the lock button on the key fob for 15 seconds until the car responds. 5. Repeat for other fobs. 6. Exit programming by turning off the ignition and opening the driver's door. Note this process can take 5 to 10 minutes. Automotive key technology is evolving towards digital keys via smartphone apps like GM's My Chevrolet app, with 45% of new GM vehicles supporting digital fobs by 2025. Expect 5G integration for over-the-air updates, potentially allowing remote reprogramming. Given cybersecurity advancements, DIY is becoming less viable, with dealership services increasing by 25% since 2023. Remember that issues often stem from BCM reprogramming needs, so if you run into any issues, seek a professional.